Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how to recover password of your Deezer account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get up to date. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using then go in for new tab and search in for a Deezer.com and press enter. Here at the official web page of Deezer, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on login. You will see login form page where you need to provide account credential then get logged in into your Deezer account. As we are going to recover our password, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot your password. Here to reset your password, first of all you need to provide your registered email address. Now then you click on send link. Here Deezer has sent a reset link in your email address. You need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the Deezer. As you can see at very first a mail from Deezer. Now you open the mail. To reset your password you need to click here. Reset your password. Now you go in for providing a new password for your Deezer account that must contains at least 8 characters. Now you need to retype your password for the confirmation. Then you click on reset. And with that, your password has been successfully updated. Now to get logged in into your Deezer account, you need to provide the current password that you just set earlier. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover password for your Deezer account. Thank you.